Hello, my name is Dana from Breslow Outdoors, and today we're going to do a water demonstration. I have my son PJ, the fourth generation of our business, up above me with a 5-gallon bucket of water, which you'll be able to see from another camera angle. And he's going to go ahead and pour it slowly onto the roof right above me so that we can show you that these are truly watertight. PJ, please go ahead and start demoing. So he's pouring the water. You can probably hear it. You can see some splash out there from him pouring. There's absolutely no water coming in over here whatsoever. This is completely dry. Above me, there's absolutely no water. So the water's being poured, a 5-gallon bucket of water to simulate rain, heavy rain. The water will funnel off the louvers and into a gutter that's built in, and then down these posts here into some drains. These are truly rainproof. You no longer have to cover your couches with covers. You no longer have to bring your cushions in. You just take it easy. Let the system keep you dry, keep you cool. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.